In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Obsidian homepage. Let's start by creating a home node. This is a simple but crucial first step. You will want to create a new node called home.md or dashboard.md. This will serve as your central hub for all your notes and information within Obsidian. You can do this by clicking on the new node icon or using the keyboard shortcut. Once you have your node created, it's important to make sure it opens automatically every time you start Obsidian. This way you can jump right into your work without navigating through multiple files. Once your home node is set up, the next step is to install the Homepage Community plugin. This plugin enhances the functionality of your home node, allowing you to customize it further. To do this, navigate to the Settings menu in Obsidian. From there, look for Community plugins. If Safe Mode is enabled, you will need to turn it off. This is important because it allows you to install third-party plugins, which can greatly improve your workflow. After turning off Safe Mode, click on Browse and search for the Homepage plugin. Once you find it, go ahead and install it. After installation, make sure to enable the plugin, which will activate its features for your home node. Now that the Homepage plugin is installed, it's time to configure it. Go back to the Settings menu and select Homepage. In this section, you will set your homepage to the home node you created earlier. This is a key step because it links the plugin directly to your central hub. Next, look for the options to enable specific features. Make sure to enable the option that states Open Homepage on Startup. This ensures that your home node will be the first thing you see each time you open Obsidian. Additionally, you might want to enable the option that says Open Homepage when no file is open. This is an optional setting, but it can be very useful. With these settings configured, you are well on your way to having an organized workspace. The Homepage plugin will help you keep your most important notes in one accessible location. Having everything centralized saves you a lot of time later because you won't have to search through multiple notes to find what you need. Now, let's summarize the steps you've just taken. You created a home note, installed the Homepage plugin, and set your homepage preferences. These steps are essential for creating a functional and user-friendly Obsidian workspace. You will find that with your homepage set up, navigating through your notes will become much smoother and more efficient. Finally, always remember to regularly update your home note with relevant links and notes. This will keep your homepage dynamic and useful. A well-maintained homepage becomes a powerful tool for managing your knowledge and projects effectively. Thank you for following along with this tutorial on creating an Obsidian homepage. By taking these steps, you have laid the groundwork for a more organized and efficient note-taking system. Enjoy using your new setup.